Morning. Today we're going to take some old nasty windows and we're going to turn them into art. Should be a pretty cool project. We'll see how it goes, so hold on. Hey guys, we're down here at the beach house. Don't forget, get the lawn guides if you haven't get the lawn guides for every type of lawn. Bermuda grass, zoysia grass, cool season grasses. They're free. Get them. We leave them up 365 days a year, so use them. But today, I need a big piece of art on our master bedroom wall. I couldn't find anything. Everything looks too commercial. So I'm going to take some old windows and I'm going to redo them. So this project should be fun. Hold on. So the picture project begins. I've got these two old windows that I bought for $20 each. I ordered a poster print for 44 bucks. And then I went and bought two pieces of molding that were about $8 a piece. When you look at these windows, you'll notice that this window is half an inch taller than this window. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn them sideways, and that way they're the same height. I don't have to risk cutting them because I have to do some, as you can see, I have to do a little bit of repair here. So I'm going to use some E6000, squirt that into the joints before I actually nail it all together. I'm going to have the wife pick which side she wants out. I've got to take this piece of hardware off because I'm going to build a frame all the way around it to sort of hold it in place. Then I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some clear polyurethane and coat all that so it doesn't chip off anymore, and that should be good. So I'm going to shoot some E6000. Okay, so let me show you. I went to the hardware store and I bought this. I'm kind of molding here. It's nice and thick, and it's not pine, it's a maple, so I can really get some good nails into it. And I plan to put this all the way around it, all four sides. So the plan here is, when I assemble this, I'm actually going to flip it over so that the windows come out to the edge of that wood. This is the front, but I want to flip it over and have these windows come all the way to the edge so that there's room for a shadow box for the print that's going on. So I don't have any construction adhesive. So all I did was I just put E6000 all the way around. Let me show you, you can see it there. I put E6000 all the way around that frame. And E6000 actually turns into like a hard plastic. It's great stuff. So I'm basically done. We don't even want to clean the glass on this. We want to leave the glass a little bit dirty. But I've got a dehumidifier and a heater inside the basement, and it's February, so I'm gonna take it inside and just let it cure. 24 hours probably. Oh, so this place is a disaster. I just want to let you know. We got all kinds of stuff everywhere here in the basement, but guess what came? I waited. I ordered this like 3 days ago. I uploaded a picture. I'll put a link to the website. It's like Poster Print Shop or something. Comes in a tube. Well, they basically, it was printing the next day, and it shipped out the next day, and I actually paid for you guys. I paid to have it come in a little bit faster. So you can see, there's the monster poster. There's the monster poster I'm going to put behind. Now that's pretty cool. So I think the next photo I'm going to put in here, I think I'm going to get a lighter one, and I got to be careful of where, because the horizon line is hitting that. So I need to think about that. The next time I do this, I'm going to get a new one, and I need to line up. I can't see the lighthouse in the middle. The lighthouse needs to go maybe over here. The horizon line needs to maybe come down or come up. Oh, so if I'm out of breath, you'll know why. This is not light, but it looks. See what I'm talking about. We needed something large up on the wall. Doesn't that look great? Man, that looks so good. Now I do have to change the print. I will say that. I found all the studs, so I drilled here away from my nails. 16, 16, 16. I went ahead and I drilled out for 1/2-inch dowels. We're gonna get some white dowel plugs, put them in here, and then I used 3-inch nails to go through this wood into the studs. That thing's not coming down, but man, does that ever look good? So here's what I've learned is I need to take a picture of this frame and sort of go into my Photoshop program and figure out where I want my print to fall, and it needs to be lighter. So we're definitely looking at the same end, it's just too dark. So as an example, there's a lighthouse right here. You can't see it. So the lighthouse feature needs to be sort of in this window. You can see that the actual the line right here, the landscape line, is actually running here. You can't see that. So anything of a feature that you want, you got to sort of play with it and see where it's going to fall. So I got probably 99 bucks or so into this thing. $44 for the print, $20 for each window, $8 for each piece of the whatever. And if I went and bought this somewhere, I guarantee you I'd pay probably $350, $450 for this. So if you want to make a good living, here you go. Anyways, hope that helped. Click subscribe. We'll do some more projects. Talk to you later. Doug.